Hello, today we are going to use the blending stump we made together and also draw with Conté. Conté is a French word and it is a drawing medium made of compressed powdered graphite or charcoal mixed with a wax or clay and a binder. Conté comes in square shape, pencil, crayon, and the difference between Conté and pastels are Conté is harder, waxier, and when you draw with Conté, there is less dust than pastel. So I do a little bit of cross hatching here just to show. Um, so I have a dark gray and a black Conté. I recommend you always have a brush beside you. This is just a makeup brush. I use it for drawing to remove the dust. And also I recommend you to have always a piece of blank A4 paper and lean your hand on this paper when you move, because we don't want to smudge and rub our drawing. So let's start with something. I choose like a geometrical shape, which is a sphere, and I used any kind of thing you have around you. That's just a spray top. So I draw a circle and I do it as quick as possible. So to shade this sphere, I have to choose like an imaginary like light coming up. Let's say 45 degrees on the right side above. So then the shadow should be something like this, because I don't have anything to look at. It's a kind of imaginary. So I have my blank paper and I start shading here. Don't go too hard and too dark, because it is not that easy to remove and erase the dark parts when you draw with Conté. So let's say we go around. I have absolutely 100% control on how much I press when I do cross hatching. So at this stage I'm not afraid to mix everything and go around the circle. As you see, I don't make the edges of my sphere that much dark. So that's the secret of making the shape looks like 3D. So I use the brush, I go to shape. I'm trying to do it as fast as possible, but of course at home you can spend more time and you don't need to do it as quick as what I'm doing it for the video. So blend. Each time I remove the dust, I go again. So I try to get the 3D shape of the sphere. So the secret of getting this 3D effect is always leave a line of light when the sphere is on the table or anywhere. Like now we don't have anything like imaginary table. So now I use the blending stone to blend one more time. At this stage, I use the rubber. I start with this one, which is like a sharper and pointier. I use this one for here, and also I clean the edges. So as you see, I try to finish my drawing as quick as possible, but you can spend more time and make it like more blended and softer when it comes to shading. So I hope you enjoyed and try it at home.